Hello and welcome to part 7 of our video tutorial series on PCase. Today we are going to look at DB differences. Since DB differences looks at different versions of your project, we're going to need to learn how to create a new version. To do so, right click, save, new version. Then rename your version of your project and click OK. I already have one saved, so there's no need for me to do that. Then open DB differences by right clicking, open DB differences. For the moment it is comparing the difference from OpenH Sports Database 2000 version 2 to OpenH Sports 2000 version 2, which means there are no differences because they are the same. To change that, click the three dots here, select the previous version and then click OK. And you will see immediately some changes appear. Here you can see that the employee table has been deleted because this icon here with this little red dot means deleted. Here you can see, thanks to this green icon, that employee 2 was created and more than one change has been taken on the customer table, so they've all been grouped into a folder. To access that, click on the arrow. You can see here that the field loyalty card number has been created, that the name and the description has been changed, although the description is too long to fit into that, so you just have to check later on, and that the index loyalty card number has been created and that the label customer table has been added. However, I know for a fact that the employee table was not deleted but renamed from employee to employee 2. However, since the name has changed, it thinks it had happened to two different tables. To rectify that, right click, rename, select the two options and click this button and you will see they're instantly grouped into a folder. Open it and you will see that it has detected that the only thing that has changed is the file name, and will have told you so. Now it's changed from employee to employee 2. One of the useful things you can do with DB differences is to export it in different formats. Right clicking, .df format, and then selecting where you want to save it, will create a .df file which, when you open it in Notepad, gives you the code you will need to use to update your database if you made the changes in PCase. Another thing you can do is to save it as a HTML report, which means that you will have a written report of the changes in the HTML format. The DB differences menu makes it very easy for the user to find out what has changed between two versions of a database or project, and to produce a report or code that can be used to update the database easily. The .df file allows you to do that quicker by providing you the code, therefore suppressing the need to write the code yourself and therefore speeding up the process. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial on DB differences, and I hope to see you soon in our next video.